Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing one of the most fascinating topics of our time, the invention of artificial intelligence or AI. Many of us have heard of AI, but who invented it? That's the question we'll be answering today. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Body. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, is the intelligence demonstrated by machines. AI has become an essential part of our daily lives, from Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and robots. But who was the genius behind the invention of AI? The idea of machines that could think like humans were first proposed in the mid-20th century. But it wasn't until the late 1950s that the term artificial intelligence was coined by John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Nathaniel Rochester, and Claude Shannon, who were pioneers in the field. These four computer scientists organized a conference in 1956 at Dartmouth College in New Hampshire, where they presented their ideas on the concept of AI. This conference is widely regarded as the birthplace of AI. One of the earliest attempts at creating an AI machine was the development of the logic theorist by Alan Newell and J.C. Shaw. The logic theorist was capable of proving mathematical theorems and was regarded as the first step towards AI. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI research gained momentum, and many new techniques were developed, including expert systems, natural language processing, and machine learning. One of the most significant contributions during this period was made by Arthur Samuel, who created the first self-learning program called the checkers player. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI research faced setbacks due to limited computing power, lack of data, and insufficient funding. But in the early 2000s, with the advent of powerful computers and the internet, AI research began to progress at an unprecedented rate. Artificial intelligence has been one of the fastest growing fields in recent years, and the latest developments in AI have been nothing short of extraordinary. One of the most significant advancements has been the development of GPT-3, an AI language model developed by OpenAI. GPT-3 has made headlines for its ability to generate human-like text and has been hailed as a game-changer in the field of natural language processing. GPT-3 has been trained on a vast amount of text data, which has enabled it to generate highly accurate and coherent text. The model can perform a range of language-related tasks, including language translation, question answering, and text summarization. It has been used in a variety of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and content creation. Another significant development in AI has been the rise of autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber have been working on developing self-driving cars that can navigate roads and traffic without human intervention. The technology behind self-driving cars involves a combination of AI and machine learning algorithms, which enable the vehicle to analyze its surroundings and make decisions based on that analysis. AI has also been used in the medical field to improve the accuracy of diagnoses and to develop more effective treatments. AI algorithms can analyze medical data to identify patterns and predict outcomes. This has the potential to revolutionize the way medical professionals diagnose and treat patients, leading to better outcomes and more efficient use of resources. OpenAI has also been working on developing AI systems that can perform creative tasks such as art and music creation. These systems have been trained on large datasets of existing art and music, allowing them to generate new and unique pieces. This has the potential to revolutionize the creative industries by making it easier for artists and musicians to generate new and innovative work. Today, AI is a rapidly growing field, and technology has advanced significantly. Researchers are working on creating machines that can perform complex tasks like human beings, such as recognizing speech, understanding images, and making decisions. In conclusion, the invention of artificial intelligence was not the work of a single person, but rather the efforts of many scientists and researchers who contributed to its development over time. From the logic theorist to self-learning programs and machine learning, the evolution of AI has been remarkable. With new advancements in technology, the future of AI looks bright, and we can expect to see more exciting developments in the field. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more exciting content.